Hello everyone, I welcome you to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to install Python in 2021 in your Windows 10 operating system. So let's begin. Now first of all, you first check whether Python has already been installed on your computer or not. So for that, just simply go to your command prompt and in here just type python space dash dash version, then enter. And now as you can see that Python is not recognized as an internal or an external command. So this is because Python has not been installed on our machine. So for that we need to install. So just minimize it and then go to our browser. So I am opening my Chrome and in here I will type Python, then enter. And now as you can see our first link is from this www.python.org. So just click on that. And now as you can see this is basically Python's official website. So just click on download. And in here as you can see download the latest version for Windows. So Python 3.9.1 is our latest version. So we'll just simply click on that. And as you can see this Python installation file is currently downloaded. So now it's completed. So just simply click on this show in folder. And now as you can see this is basically our installation file, that is this Python 3.9.1. so just double click on it and then just minimize this download directory. And now in here as you can see this Python 3.9.1 installer wizard has been directly opened. And now in here they basically gave you two options, one to install now and another is this custom installation. And also please do check this add Python 3.9 to path. This is very important because otherwise the Python will not run from other directories. So this is very important to check. So just check that and then just simply click on this custom installation. Yeah. And now these are basically the files that are going to be installed. So I'll just simply keep this all default and then just simply click on next. And now in here we are basically going to change this installation location. So just simply click on browse and in here just click on this PC, then just scroll down a bit and then click on this C directory. And now in here we'll create a new folder. So just click on this make new folder and type here Python, then simply click on enter. And now as you can see this Python folder has been rightly created. Now just simply click on OK. And now as you can see the installation is going to happen in the C directory, then Python. And now these are basically the options that came ticked by default, that is this associate files with Python. That means all py files are going to be opened by this Python IDE, and also they're going to create a shortcut for the installed application. So for which I will also make this ticked, and add Python to environment variables, and also this is very important, so you need to also check that whether this one is ticked or not. This is also very important. And also I want to install for all user, so that this pre-compiler standard library also come. And now I'll just simply click on install. Yeah. And now as you can see this setup process has been directly began, so it will take a minute or two maybe, so for which I will come back once when it gets done. So welcome back. And now as you can see this setup was successful, so Python has been rightly installed. So just simply click on close and now just open your command prompt. First you need to close the previously opened command prompt and then you need to reopen it. And now in here if you type Python space dash dash version, you will see that Python 3.9.1 has been rightly installed. And now you can simply convert this command prompt into your Python shell by typing Python, then enter. And now as you can see this Python 3.9.1 shell has been rightly opened with this trademark 3 arrows. And now you can simply print hello world by typing print, then hello world. Just simply click on enter. And now as you can see, this hello world has been rightly shown on our console. And you know, in this Python shell you can do simple calculation like a calculator. If you type this 5 plus 3, then just enter, you will get this 8. Similarly, you can also multiply just 8 into 3. Suppose if you want to do, you will get 24. Subtractions also you can do 5 minus 3, 2. And also you can do this simple add to numbers operation by simply storing the values in your variable. So just like if you type num1 equal to 5 and then enter, and then just num2 equal to 3, and now you can simply add these two numbers by simply num1 plus num2, then enter. As you can see, this 8 has been rightly shown. 5 plus 3, 8. So in this way, you know, you can use this command from Azure Python console. But apart from that, by installing Python, you will also get this Python idle. So just click on that. And now as you can see, this Python idle shell 3.9.1 has been rightly opened. In here also you can do this similar operation like just print hello world. Then just enter, and as you can see, this hello world has been rightly shown in this idle shell. And also, you know, you can create new file, just clicking on this file, then click on this new file, and your new file has been rightly generated. And in here you can also type simple programs like that I have shown earlier, just like num1 equal to 5, then num2 equal to 2, then you can just num1 plus num2, and you can print that also. So just type print, and you know this num1 plus num2 will be rightly printed. So you need to first save that. So for that, just click on file, then save as, and in here you can create a new directory naming my Python programs. Just go inside that directory and you can save your file as a prog1.py. You need to save the file as a .py extension. This is very important. You know, Python's files are generally saved in this .py extension. So just save that, and now you can simply go on this run icon and then run module. And now as you can see, this 5 plus 2, that is this num1 plus num2, 5 plus 2, in your console the output came 7. So in this way you install you know, this Python in your Windows 10 operating system, and this is our latest version, that is the 3.9.1. Now I have already shown you also how to you know, install a very beautiful IDE by JetBrains, that is this PyCharm IDE. There you can also use for your Python program, and also that IDE can be used for several Python projects. So you know, so what I'll be doing is I will be putting the link in the description on how to install PyCharm IDE in a Windows 10 operating system. That IDE is, you know, very beautiful to use, and also is very user friendly. You will love it, I can promise you, if you use that IDE. And I will also going to post some very interesting Python related project on our channel. So please do subscribe our channel and stay connected. And if you also like this video, then please give it a thumbs up, and also do share with your friends. So that's all for this video, friends. Thank you very much for watching this video, and God bless you all.